In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain in Bolt.new website. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is create your website or app. So I just have an app over here, and then you want to open it up. When you do that, you want to publish it via the publish button, or you could just type in publish this application inside your chat. Whenever that's done, of course, you'll receive the link to your app. However, this is not your custom link, and this is not a custom domain. If you'd like to actually do a custom domain on your website, app, or whatever, you want to click on the publish button top right again, and then here you can click on custom domain, and you can select if you want to buy a new domain, which you can do, or you could add a domain you already own. So that's completely up to you, but whenever you press any of these buttons, it will basically take you to the first site here where you basically have to get a pro subscription. So of course, if you want to be able to upload or connect a custom domain, which as you can see here on the list, you'll have to first upgrade to one of their pro plans over here. And then when you do that, it's going to guide you all the way through. You'll be able to just connect your domain very, very easily. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.